Nickelodeon presents some do's and don'ts for your Saturday morning.
The National Weather Service in Tucson has issued a dust storm warning for south central Pinal County in southeastern Arizona until 3:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 1:41 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dust channel was near Picacho Peak State Park between mile markers 213 and 226, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source, law enforcement. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 between mile markers 206 and 231. Route 87 between mile markers 116 and 124. Locations impacted include Eloy, Picacho Peak State Park and Red Rock. Dust storms led to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive.
It's Monopoly Super Electronic Banking Game. And check out Monopoly Space Game only at Target. Batteries not included.